Hey guys, welcome. Yeah, so in this video we're going to talk about the RS formula for the area of a triangle. So, given a triangle and a circle that's inscribed in the triangle, then you can find the area of the triangle if you know all three sides of the triangle and the radius of a circle. All you have to do is multiply the radius of the circle to half of the perimeter of the triangle, and therefore the radius times the semi-perimeter, which we abbreviate with S, so RS. Yeah? Okay, cool. And this is really cool and interesting, but also pretty simple to understand. So let's start by drawing lines from each vertex of our triangle to the center of the circle. And if we do, then one such line will look like this, and another one will look like this, right? I put it there, and then draw it to the center again, right? Another one will look like this, right? And our final and third one, I think I missed a little bit on that one. I want to do slightly better. Sorry, y'all. And the third and final one will be like one going from this vertex, right? And this is the third and final one, right? Okay, cool. All right. Now, because tangents to a circle are always perpendicular to the radii, we have a right angle right here. Don't like that. Let me redraw. A right angle right there. That looks even poorer. Sorry, guys. A right angle right there. Another one right here. And then a third and final one right there, right? So we've got those right angles. And if we color code, we've got now three triangles that make up our triangle ABC. And let's color this one in black. So like, yeah. So this one is the black triangle, let's say, and this is triangle OCB. And then we've got, let's say, the red triangle, and this is triangle OAC, right? Okay. And let's say the third triangle is green, and this is triangle OBA, right? Okay, so this is this triangle. And now the black triangle plus the red triangle plus the green triangle and area have to equal the area of triangle ABC. So let's show that and write it down. So we're saying the area of triangle ABC is the area of the black triangle plus the area of the red triangle plus the area of the green triangle. Got it. Now, notice that the three radii we have drawn are all altitudes of the three triangles here, right? So the radius here is the altitude of the red triangle, the radius here is the altitude of the black triangle, and the radius here is the altitude of the green triangle. So using the good old 1/2 base times height formula, we can write the area of the three triangles like this, right? Okay, the black triangle is 1/2 of R times A, or 1/2 of A times R, however you want to think about it. And the red triangle is similarly found, and then the green triangle. Now I'm going to show the same step, but with slightly different highlighting to show that 1/2 multiplies each of the three terms here, and R multiplies each of the three terms here. So let's factor out the R and write the 1/2 as a denominator of dividing A and B and C's sum by 2, right? Now, what I just displayed is the same as the previous line. If we just distribute the R and then write RA over 2 plus RB over 2 plus RC over 2, right? All right, but you heard me say the S word earlier, semi-perimeter. Note that A plus B plus C, or little a plus little b plus little c, is the perimeter of triangle ABC, and so half of it is a semi-perimeter. And the semi-perimeter refers to any triangle. It's half of the perimeter. So then we can write this formula more succinctly as R times S. Yeah? Cool. All right. In one additional video, I'll give you a concrete example of how to use this RS formula. And then I'll discuss Hero's formula, also known as Heron's formula, and that too is for the area of a triangle. And I'll show you many different versions of the traditional 1/2 base times height, and we'll see what that formula comes from and so on in other videos. Yeah? All right, cool. Keep watching. Take care.